Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover numbers in JavaScript. As mentioned before, there's only one data type for numbers in JavaScript and its name is number. So no matter if number is integer or decimal number, its data type is number. So I will print in console log type of num is number. This is integer number and type of decimal number is also number. You can also assign numbers with exponent notation. For that you need to use e and I will add here 5. And let's print that number. Here you can see 45 and 5 zeros. So it is same like I multiply 45 with 100,000. You can also use negative values like minus 5 and here you can see result. There are 5 decimal places in this number. If you add number and string, result is string. You can see 873. But with any other arithmetic operation, result is number. So 87 divided by string 3, it is 29. Multiplied, it is 261. Minus 84. So only when you add string and number, result is string. With any other arithmetic operation, it is number. I will paste this here and print num. And I will write type of, and here you can see that this is number data type. And if I use addition, it is string. If you add two strings, it is string. But if you divide two strings, result is number. You can see data type is number. And here you can see this is 87 divided by 3, 29. So here you can see even with two strings when you use any arithmetic operation except addition, result is number. But you need to be careful, it only works if string can be converted to the number. You can convert 3 to number, but you cannot convert cat. And here you can see value none, which means not a number. You will get none when value cannot be converted into number. There's also function to check if value is none. And that function as name is none, so I will pass here num variable and you can see it is true. And I will change here to 2 and now value is not none, so this is false. You can also assign hexadecimal numbers. For that you need to use OX and then you write number. For example 10 and I will print this variable num. So 10 in hexadecimal is 16 in decimal system. 20 is 32. OX is notation for hexadecimal number. You first need to write that and then you write number in hexadecimal system. Next method that you can use on numbers is toString method, which will convert numbers to string. So I will add here 54 and I will use toString. And here you can see it is also 24, but type of is string. With the string method you can print numbers in different number systems. If you want to print number in binary system, you need to pass here 2. So this is 54 in binary system. In octal system, 54 is 66. In decimal it is of course 54. And in hexadecimal I need to pass 16, it is 36. I can also use other methods on numbers. Next method that I'm going to use is toFixed, With that method, I can specify a number of decimal spaces. I will add decimal spaces here. So if value is 2, I have 2 decimal spaces. If value is 4, there are 4 decimal spaces, but default value is 0. With that, there's no decimal spaces, so it's the same like I pass here 0. Next method is very similar. That method is to precision. With this method, you specify length of string, not number of decimal places. So if I pass value 4, you can see that there are 4 digits. Length of this number is 4. If I pass value 2, there's only 2 digits, so there are no decimal spaces. Next method is value of, but before using that method, you should know that you can also assign number as number object. So I need new keyword and object number, and here I will pass value. And I will print this num variable, and here you can see that now it is not value, it is number object. But to show value from this object, only value, you can use value of. And now you can see that there is value. Value is printed, although it is object. Number object has its properties, so I will first delete value of method, and I will assign some of those properties to this num variable. So I need to use number object, and I can use max value. Here you can see it is maximum value of number in JavaScript. There's also minimum value, min value. So it is the smallest value of number in JavaScript. You also have min safe integer, which is value of minimum integer. There's also max safe integer, which is opposite the biggest safe integer. You can also use nan, which is value not a number. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.